Hello everybody, glad to tell you Xindun Power is the factory Navy-produced solar inverter and solar power system. We have attended 2 professional exhibitions in Jakarta, Indonesia and the exhibition in Johannesburg, South Africa. We participate in the 8th Indonesia International Solar Power and PV Technology exhibition, which is from March 2 to 4th. Another exhibition in South Africa was held from 25 to 26 April. In order to better service you at the exhibition, we have developed a professional business team at the exhibition. We will offer the best-selling solar inverter such as low-frequency inverter, high-frequency inverter, on-off-grid solar inverter, single-phase inverter, and 3-phase inverter. Includes solar charge controller and the solar power generator, etc. We will have energy exhibition in Philippines, Canada, Malaysia, Mexico, etc. And we will have a photovoltaic exhibition in Shanghai from 24th to 26th May. Welcome everyone to come to our exhibition. You can use Facebook, Xindun official website, Alibaba, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. Continue to follow us. We will update from time to time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.